hukarangi te maunga, ko wāpu te awa, ko Ngati Porou te iwi, no rere te iwi, nau mai, haro mai, ki te papatākoro Porou o Whakarua ki Ruatoria mō tēnei kēmu wanganui te haukainga hamotarangi me ngā manuhiri o te rā no Tūranganui a Kiwa, ngā wahine no Tūranganui a Kiwa. Nei rā te mihi ki ngā kai tautoko mō tēnei whakapāho a e tū whānau, nā rātou te pūtea tautoko he whakapāho mātou kia koutou i tēnei wā. Welcome to today's broadcast, kindly brought to you by E tū whānau. We are here at Whakarua Park for this clash between, of course, Hamoterangi and Tūranganui a Kiwa wahine. Looks like we've got some home refs down there today. Matty Richards will be taking this one. He's got the whistle out there at the moment, helping him. Looks like Jimmy Green, very famous Jimmy Orange. And Joe Coleman. Oh, my Joe. Bit of a blank up here in the studio. We're getting a live here. No, we're not. Oh, I'm back behind it. There we go. Not far away from kickoff, whānau. We'll try and run through the teams if we get a chance. Here comes your lineups. Now, our wahine have decided to make my day really hard, and they've got no numbers on their backs. But Charlie Ho, Kahaki, Misty Robertson, Corina Ranapia in the front row. Te amo haere Ngata Airinga Mate is the vice captain wearing number 4. She's joined by Amy Outwin, Hazley Whakataka, Morgan White, Shaka Khan Edwards, Ryan Manuel in at halfback, Te Kura Ngata Airinga Mate, back from loan duties with Bay of Plenty, back in the blue, in the sky blue. Matero Waito on the left wing. Cheyenne Babington getting it at number 12. Nikita Wharehinga, expect a big game from her. She's been pretty strong all year. Te Awhina Chase on the right wing and Leki Korpu at the back. On the bench, Kelly Brock, Betty Ray, Maya King, Billy Delamere, Billy Joe Tangaere, Wael Te Marama Parata, Renadine Keelan Goldsmith and Jade Stacey. Having a look at our manuhiri while our ladies make their way onto the field. Hawaiki Lardali, Michaela Renata Maihi, Rene Folau Moitui, Chris Laulau, Jonette Karaka, Raywin Maxwell, Jonesy Edwards, Sean Down. In at halfback is Kashimia Shelford. Apikara Whanga at number 10, Daphne Maxwell on the left wing, Arwin Tipuki, Princess Tomoana, Horiana Nepia, and Monique Carmichael. On the bench, Journey Waru, Paku Hiko, Serenity Himaloto Ngatu, Drew Wilson, Keontae Lewis, and Shakwai Whitika Tipu. Gee, getting my reo Māori mixed up with my reo Pālangi. Get it right. Not far away from kickoff here. As I just realised I haven't got a woman's sheet in front of me. I'm going to have to be tricky here. Get my phone sorted. Oh, remember, we are under a heavy rain watch, whānau, from this afternoon, I believe. So tanks are going to get full. I'm going to have to be tricky with this. Sort this out for the men's game. Joining us on cameras, we've got Mr. Doon Harrison, Mr. Tama Papuni Isles. Ground side, we've got Mahuta Morris, and in the background, of course, Adrian Royal helping us out with the stream. I believe this game is coming to you live over Te Reo Irirangi o Ngati Porou as well. Now, there is a shield up for grabs. There is a taonga up for grabs today. I'm going to try and find out the name of that taonga. I believe our wahine picked it up last week or week before off Tūranganui a Kiwa, but it's back up every time they play. The final prep before we get underway here at Whakarua Park. Of course, the big game coming at you live at 2 p.m. this afternoon. Not that this isn't a big game. Last game for our Hamoterangi wahine of their season. I understand they all had a noho at Te Awera Marae last night. The last hit out for our Hamoterangi wahine team. Rōpatas all over the place. I forgot to mention our other camera. We've got another camera. He's called Rōpata. As if you can pick up on that name, he is a robot. He'll be helping us out today too. So it looks like Ngati Porou. Oh, there are numbers out there. They've gone and done a number on me. Cheyenne Babington getting it. Looks like she's wearing number 22. Gets us underway. It's taken there by one of the Poverty Bay forwards. I think that's Maxwell. Sets it up 5 outside her 10-metre line. They come infield. Working it through one of the forwards, standing at second receiver. Nice run there from one of the Poverty Bay ladies. Takes it down inside the 10-metre line. Offside penalty, advantage being played here as Poverty Bay work it up to the halfway. No advantage, they'll go back for the penalty. Six shy of the line here, the halfway. They give it up to, I think that's Falau Moitui. They come open again. That's Whanga, gets the pass away. 10 metres inside Ngati Porou territory. Ngati Porou, I think that's Babington netting it is, dragging the opposition backwards. Up to number 2, that's Renata Maihi. Penalty, though, against Ngati Porou again. Not rolling away is the call. Early penalties here against Ngati Porou. They go quickly, the halfback. That's Shelford. Nice step there to get away from one of the blue defenders. They set it up. They're about 14 metres inside Ngati Porou territory. They come infield. Whanga going for another run. Little knock on in there, I think. Some pressure coming at breakdown time there at ruck time from Ngati Porou. A little knock on. Just got to do some quick organising in the background here. So our team sheets, we need them where I can access them. Scrum down about 14 metres inside Ngati Porou territory. Big shunt here from Ngati Porou, but the referee's already got an infringement against them. Angling in, I think, against the prop. Quick tap there from the halfback for Poverty Bay. Up towards the 22 they go. They're just outside the 22 here. Still there is Shelford. Sends it back infield. Nice run there from one of the supporting players. Might have been turned over. It has. There's, I think that's Wharehinga. No, that's not. That's not Wharehinga. Ngati Porou turn it over. They come outside their 22. Out now to Shelford. Shelford chucks a long pass to Airinga Mate. Airinga Mate. Red jerseys up on her quickly. Referee's got a little knock-on advantage, though. I'll go back for a scrum feed for Ngati Porou. This one here, about 7 metres outside Ngati Porou 22. There's a change coming already. Number 3 has come onto the field. Sorry, I mistakenly said that was Falau Moitui before with the big run. It wasn't. She's just come onto the park from receiving some treatment. It was the number 8, Sean Down, that had the big run before. Defensive scrum here for Ngati Porou for Hamoterangi. It's at the back there for Manuel. Manuel out to Airinga Mate. Across to, that's Babington getting it with the little chip kick through, end over end, up towards the halfway. Lecky picks it up. Korpu Lecky, can she go all the way here? Chase is coming. Beautiful play from Ngati Porou from Hamoterangi. She'll go in under the post for the first points of the game. That's our man with the... Is the speed okay? Just we're in the midst of a live stream and we're getting phone calls from our techie. So first try there to Leki Korpua. Just going to get Adrian to check our speeds. We can't when we're doing a live stream. Here's the conversion coming. It's a 5-0 Hamiltonangi lead. Was that a successful conversion? I think so. She got the claps. Sorry, Whānau, wasn't watching. Got to sort something out on my phone while we are broadcasting. So it'll be Poverty Bay to come back and make the restart. I'm not seeing points go up on the scoreboard. Maybe it didn't go over. 5-0. Picked up there. It's bounced back. Tidied up by, I believe that was White, it might have been. Who's that? Amy Outwin, sorry. They come infield. Trying to work it out of their 22 here. Pick and go from Airinga Mate. Ngata Airinga Mate, I should say. Let's get the name right, Porou. Apologies, all these hyphenated names. Little knock on there from Poverty Bay. Tūranga Nui a Kiwa Wahine. Yes, even though we're under heavy rain watch or rain warning, she's getting pretty warm up here in the crow's nest. If you are coming along to the game today, just be prepared for both weather plans. Ball in from Manuel. She's got Ngata Airinga Mate out to Babington, getting it up to Wharehinga. Wharehinga takes it down, still inside the 22 here. Ngata Airinga Mate, little pick and go, brings it out from the 22. Needs to be released here, not getting released. Now that the release is there, as Wharehinga gives it back to Babington, getting it. She puts the boot to it, finds a bit of space, bounces over the halfway, picked up tidily there by Carmichael. Defence up quickly on her though. Counter ruck here from Ngati Porou. It's still there for Poverty Bay. For Tūranga Nui a Kiwa. Pick and go, advantage here for Tūranga Nui a Kiwa. Or Tūranga Wahine. Offside is the call. Quick tap by... No, I thought she was going to go quickly. Just finds touch off the kick there. This one here, about 15 metres inside Ngati Porou territory, Hamiltonangi territory. Full line, short line now called. They go high. It's tapped down on the Tūranga Nui side. It's gone backwards, says the referee. That's number 4 for Ngati Porou. There is Te Amo Haere, Ngata Airinga Mate going through, but Poverty Bay work it out to the midfield. Little knock on there, I think. Referee will go back for an earlier advantage penalty against Hamiltonangi. Right on Hamiltonangi's 10-metre line. Scrum called. Kashmir Shelford at halfback for Tūranga Nui Wahine. It's at the back foot down. Big shunt here from Ngati Porou. She leaves it for Shelford. It's gone off the first five's hands, gone backwards. Ngati Porou coming through quickly. Oh, Manuel with a beautiful tackle there. Counter ruck from Ngati Porou as they try and turn it over. Babington getting it in there. Might have been a little knock on. Beautiful chasing there from Ryan Manuel. Put the hit on. Nearly got the turnover. Defensive scrum feed coming here for Tūranga Wahine. Beautiful weather at the moment. You wouldn't think that there's a big storm ready to hit the Savo or this evening. Shelford feeds the scrum. She takes it out. They go to the far side, out to Whaanga. Whaanga puts a little chip in. May have been held without the ball there. Referee says. Shelford goes quickly again. Gives it up to Renata Maihi. Renata Maihi with a good run up to the Hamoterangi 10-metre line. It's there again for Shelford. Comes open to Whaanga up to down. She's taken down to the ground. Counter ruck, no, might have come from the side, says the referee. Bit of advantage for Tūranga Wahine as Edwards takes it forward. Still under advantage here. Shelford. I think that's down again. No, that's another, that might have been Falau Moitui. Referee says no advantage, coming back for the penalty off the feet against Hamoterangi. Sorry, that looks like the conversion did go over. I will add the conversion to the score because the scoreboard has got it up across the other side. Quick tap taken. Big run there. Tūranga Wahine, 5 out from the 22. They go open up to Falau Moitui. Another run here. I think that was Whaanga. Turned over here. Picked up here by Ngata Airinga Mate. She gets the pass away. Oh, the numbers were out wide there. Referee's got a penalty though. Got isolated. Just a little come infield and the numbers were going wide. Don't have a number on their player. They tap and go quickly to Tūranga Wahine. That's Shelford. Oh, a little knock on in there. Give the ball away. It'll be a Hamoterangi scrum feed. These ladies played each other a couple of weeks ago. They know what to expect from each other. I've got the names wrong. I've been calling Renata Maihi. I've been calling Ladeli Renata Maihi. Apologies. This one here, roughly midway, 10 metre 22 inside Hamoterangi territory. Manual to feed the scrum. It's at the back. She gives it out to Ngata Airinga Mate. Long pass out. It bounces kindly. Well, it bounces. It's still bouncing. Oh, they've been left behind by Babington getting it. A kick through here by number 13. That's Tomoana for Tūranga. Little knock on, though. No advantage for Tūranga. They'll come back. This one, scrum going to take place on the 22. Defensive, attacking scrum feed here for Tūranga. Taken off the back by Down. She goes blind. Little knock on in there. She tried to unload the pass. Pick and go here from Ngati Porou. They turn it over. I think that was... Might have been Edmonds with the turnover. Manuel gives it out now. They spin it wide. Ngata Airinga Mate pushes off one tackle. Gets the pass away. Little knock on, I think. They'll come back. It's the referee say. Offside against Tūranga Nui. Tūranga Wahine. Ngata Airinga Mate just having a look at her options here. They're going to call a scrum. Midfield scrum coming about 5 metres inside Hamoterangi 22. coming up towards the 15-minute mark of this first half. Kindly brought to you by Air 2 Whānau. Manuel plucks it out the back to Ngata Airinga-Mate. They go blind. Ngata Airinga-Mate throws the dummy. Still going. Midway 10 metre 22. She's taken down just a couple of metres shy of the 10 metre line. Her own 10 metre line. Back to her feet again. Not held, says the referee. It's there for Manuel. She got Shelford at first receiver. Oh, Ranapia takes it in, gets the ball away. Working it towards the 10 metre. It's taken to ground now. It's there for Manuel. Manuel sends it out wide to, I think that was, I'm not going to guess who that was. It's been kicked forward. Turanganui come up with it, but referees, not sure what the call was there. High tackle. It's Falau Moitui with the kicking duty. He's going to look for touch here. She's not going to find touch. Is it just kept in now across there by the winger? I think that was Te Awhina Chase. Comes infield now to Ngata Airinga-Mate. This is the Te Amo Haere. Penalty though against Hamoterangi. Not releasing is the call. Just got a little bit isolated. They back chat. They get March 10. Just outside the 22 now. They're going to take the tap. Turanganui charge forward through Falau Moitui. It's there for Shelford again. She's under pressure at the base of the ruck here. Still there for Turanga as they drive over the top of it. Might have been turned over. It has popped out. No, there's a penalty against Hamoterangi. Hands in the ruck. Turanga building momentum here. Couple of penalties and they're about 15 out from the line. They're going to look for touch again. Line out coming. Attacking line out. Just watch the touchy. How far out they are. They're about 10 metres out from the corner flag. Attacking line out coming for Turanga Wahine. Short line out called. They look to the front. Good ball there by Karaka. They put it through the back line. That's number 20. According to the program, that's Lewis. Little knock on. I'm not sure if these ladies have swapped jerseys on us, but number 20 on the program is Keontae Lewis. So defensive scrum feed coming here for Hamoterangi. No, it's an attacking scrum feed. Apologies, I thought he awarded the scrum to Hamoterangi. It's a 5 metre attacking scrum here for Turanganui or Turanga Wahine. Big shunt here from Hamoterangi. It's out the back though for down. Still there for Turanga as they've gone backwards though. Referee's playing advantage. Mightn't have been rolling away. Hamoterangi not rolling away quick enough. Shelford gives it up to Falau Moitui. 6 out from the Hamoterangi line. Now they go to the far side. Oh, beautiful pass to the number 8. That was Sean down. Advantage here from the referee as Shelford keeps going the same way. Out to Whanga. Couple of metres from the line here. Turanga Wahine drive. Can they get it down? Held up, I think, is the call. It'll be a line dropout. No, they'll go back. No advantage. I think there's a penalty coming against Hamoterangi. Word going to happen with the captain now. It's been a number of penalties against Hamoterangi. You can see here as they go for the drive over the line. Tacklers get in. That's Ranapia gets under the ball there and able to hold it up. Attacking penalty for Turanga Wahine. Although The ref has stopped time to allow Ngati or Hamoterangi to have a kōrero. Shelford gonna tap and pass the ball here. I think that's Renata Maihi waiting for it. No, Lardali, sorry. They come open. Oh, nice pass. There's the first points for Tūranga Wahine. That'll make it 7-5 with the kick to come. Oh, he doesn't want to let me change the score, Adrian. Oh, here we go. Sorry, I'm gonna. I mean, gone and given it too much score. How do I take it off? Reset score. It's 7-5 with the kick to come. Some beautiful work there from the Tūranga Wahine to get their first 5-pointer of the game. It's number 13 lining up this shot is Princess Tomoana. She's about 18 meters in from touch. It puts her in that bread and butter kicking area. Makes no mistake. We're locked up here at Whakarua Park, 7-all between Tūranga Wahine and Hamoterangi. Aroha mai, I'm not sure if this is the last game for Tūranga Wahine. I do know it's the last game for Hamoterangi. You see in the replay there some strength shown by Sian Down. She got the ball at first receiver. Babington getting it, about to get us back underway again. It's short and high. It's been knocked on though. Picked up here by, I think that was Ranapia. It's there for Manuel, out now. Is that Charlie Kahaki? Hamoterangi working it forward. They're roughly midway, 10-metre 22 inside Tūranga Wahine territory. Out wide they come to Babington getting it. She goes for a little bit of a run. Slips the first tackle. Almost slips the second. Quick tap taken by Ngata Airingamate. Looking for runners now. She's got outwind. Throws the dummy. Still going is Ngata Airingamate. Runners. She's got numbers out wide. Do they pass it? Oh, beautiful run there. I think that was outwind. Some quick thinking there from Hamoterangi. Got the penalty. Took the quick tap. Great run from Ngata Airingamate. That's the kura. Here she is. You see her pick the ball up. Quick tap. Catches Poverty Bay offside. Uses it to her advantage. Looks for a dummy runner. Throws the dummy. Another dummy there. Steps through the tackle. Looking for support. Gets the pass away. I think that no-number player might be Outwin. Beautiful work there from Hamoterangi to get their second 5-pointer. I'll add that to the score as soon as my gone quite technical up here. Babington getting in here with a difficult conversion attempt. You might see our cameraman getting in a beautiful position to be able to show you the shot. He's not worried about getting wet, is he? There you have it, the angle of the from behind the kicker. But if you could see our cameraman, he's actually lying on the ground to get that shot. It's 12-7 with the kick to come. Beautiful angle for that shot if you're watching the live stream. Ball is rolled off. She'll have to hurry. Oh, I know what a forgot to, well, not yet. Unsuccessful with that conversion attempt. Tūranga Wahine make their way back to get us underway again. Oh, no, it should be 12, eh? 12-7. It's Tūranga Wahine get us underway. Picked up there by Kopu, I think it was, for Hamoterangi. Gets it away now to Ranapia. Ranapia breaks through up towards the halfway. Still going is Ranapia. Gets it away to Te Amo Haere, Ngata Airinga Mate. Manuel with quick ball. That's Edmonds. Gives it up to Kura Airinga Mate. Gets a nice pass away. I think that's White. Oh, beautiful defence there from Poverty Bay on that one. Oh, from Tūranga Wahine. Just trying to make out who that was that made... Oh, Morgan White. Yes, she's got no number on. I thought I recognised the long here. That's Renata Maihi with the throw. It's been stolen by Ranapia, though. Ranapia might have had it turned over. Penalty, though, at the breakdown, offside. Sorry, at the line out. Offside against Tūranga Wahine. What do Hamoterangi do here? They're going to tap and go, or they're going to look for touch? Edmonds with the ball. They're going to kick it out and have a line out, I think. Manuel with the kicking duty. Puts it safely into touch. You'd think our man on the sidelines got a steady cam on. It's there for Ranapia with a short line-out throw. They go to White in the middle. It's popped over the top, not straight, though, I think is the call. They'll give a scrum away to Tūranga Wahine. Defensive scrum coming. Shelford with the feed. Scrum down. Ball in. It's there for Shelford. She trips over her own player's feet, though. Juggles it. Gets it away to Whango. Puts the little chip in. That's Chase tracking across. Lecky picks it up, though. Lecky takes it into contact. Waiting for support now. She goes to ground. The support is there. That's Wharehinga having a go from the base of the ruck. Looking for the ball is Manuel. Manuel goes to Ranapia. Ranapia straightens up. Good run there from the hooker. It's there for Manuel again. Gives it to Outwin. Outwin throws it out to... I got no number on that player. Oh, she's got a beautiful bump off there. She takes it towards the 22. Manuel looking for the ball again. Goes open to Ngata Airinga Mate, to her sister. Tidied up here by Wharehinga. Might have had it ripped off her. She has, but the referee was playing advantage. He'll go back to the 22. Offside against Tūranga Wahine. Right out in front of the post here. Morgan White with the ball. They're going to tap and go. White takes the tap. She's a little bit isolated. The support will have to get to her quickly. It's there slowly. And the penalty is given away. I think that's a bit of obstruction, or might have been a bit of, well, whatever it was, it's a penalty to Tūranga. They tap and go quickly. Manuel nearly with the turnover. Turanga with the ball, though. They work it up over their 22. That's through Lewis. It's there. Shelford, they need a halfback. Pick and go from one of the forwards. Turanga, some nice work here to work it out of their red zone. Up now to the hooker. That's Renata Maihi. Referee was playing advantage. No advantage against Hamoterangi. He's telling them to shoosh. There's that slogan from our referees this year. Give it a go or shoosh. The penalty here to Turanga Wahine, about 7 out from their 22. It's up to Ladali. They give the tap, the quick pass to Ladali. She takes it down on the on her 10-metre line. Shelford looking for the ball. Gives it out to Whaanga. Whaanga gets the pass. Oh, big tackle there by Ngata Airinga Mate. Counter ruck coming. They might have turned it over here. What's the referee say? There's advantage here for Ngati Porou. They look to try and win the ball. I think that was quick tap taken. Ranapia with the ball. Ranapia bounces off one, takes it into the 22, gets the pass away to Amohaere Ngata Airinga Mate. Counter ruck here from Poverty Bay. Te Kura Ngata Airinga Mate gets it away to Manuel, looking for the wraparound. Kicked ahead from Turanga Wahine, but it's picked up here by Korpu. Puts a little chip in. Korpu, there's the bounce. She gets, almost. Turanga Wahine come up with the ball. Whakataka in there with, Wharehinga in there with the tackle. Shelford has the ball at the back for Turanga Wahine. She gives it up to, I think that was Lewis again. Turanga still with the ball. Back door to Whaanga. Whaanga puts a kick in. It's charged down. It's about to say play on. There must have been a little knock on by Hamoterangi at the breakdown, because it's a defensive scrum here to Turanga Wahine. Bit of an injury break here. It's a defensive scrum feed coming here for Hamoterangi, for Turanga Wahine. Looks like Ranapia, who's had a great game up till now, has been replaced. I didn't get a name for the person who went on. I didn't actually see who went on. Shelford feeds the scrum. Big shunt there from Hamoterangi. She goes back. They put the boot in. Lecky underneath it, back outside the 22. Bit of space here for Lecky. Puts a little chip through. Lecky chasing, it's going to beat her over the sideline. No! Oh, nearly beautiful defence there from Turanga Wahine. Yeah, she's had a good game as the fullback there for Hamoterangi. Got the bounce off her own kick there. They go quickly, does Turanga Wahine. One of the forwards going with a good run here out into the midfield. Manuel in there trying to rip the ball out. Shelford clears it to the back now. Oh, bit of helter-skelter play there as Lecky gets a good bounce. Oh, a little knock on. Oh, she's not right, is she? I think after that, it's been towed through here by Turanga Wahine. Is that Chase getting back there for Hamoterangi? She does well. No support back there for her. They're only one blue jersey with it. Babington getting it. He gets there now. Has it been turned over? It's popped out the back. It has now. The referee's got a penalty against Hamoterangi. They may want to have a look at their fullback, who didn't look good in that last play. Talking about the Hamoterangi, Turanga tap and go quickly. Being pushed over the sideline though. It'll be a Hamoterangi line-out throw, defensive line-out feed coming. Leki didn't look right from that clearing kick from Tūranga Wahine. Another substitution coming here. Looks like number 21 coming on for Tūranga Wahine. Number 21 is Wiraka Tipu. Looks like she's replacing Ladeli. They go high in the front. It's stolen by Morgan White. Down to Manuel. Not straight as... What's the call? It's a balk. Oh, was it? Yes, it was a Hamoterangi line-out throw. I thought it was a Tūranga one. Sorry. Shelford taps and goes quickly, looking to catch them off guard. That's the number 12 there. Tipuki trying to get it over the line. She gets pushed backwards to the 5 metre. It's there for Shelford again. Out now to down, I think it is. Or was that Falau Moitui? Tūranga pushed back outside the 5 metre now. Penalty against Hamoterangi though. Straight off their feet, I think, is the call. Another tap taken by Tūranga. Quick tap taken. Might have caught Hamoterangi offside. There's an advantage being played here. Oh, another drive. That's down. She gets held just shy of the line. Shelford trying to pick and go. Tūranga right on the line here. That was Falau Moitui having a go. They go blind this time. Defence holding. It's still there for Tūranga. Oh, nice drive at the line. Can she get it down? There's the acknowledgement from the AR. Can't give you a number of their player that's scored the try, but it was definitely scored by Tūranga Wahine. I think that's Falau Moitui with the 5-pointer. As the rain starts to come down here. 12 all with the kick to come. That could actually be half time. We'll keep an eye on the ref here as Tomoana with a difficult conversion attempt from out wide. It looks like Leki is going to be replaced. There is a Tūranga Wahine player also receiving assistance to leave the field. As we wait for this conversion attempt. I think the scores are wrong. I've got 12 all on our score. As we wait for this conversion attempt from Tomoana. I think it's because there's an injured player under the post. They'll take the kick first before they move the injured player. Unsuccessful there. Referee says there's still time to go here in this first half. Kindly brought to you by E Tūwhānau. So wait for the kickoff to be taken. We're going to shout out to our sponsors, E Tūwhānau. It's a movement for positive change that stands against all forms of violence based on traditional Māori values. Join the movement today at airtūwhanau.org.nz as the kick is just gone 10. There might have been touched by a Tūranga Wahine player who's knocked it on. They'll give away a scrum here to Hamoterangi. E Tūwhānau, Te Manakaha o Te Whānau is proud to support Hamoterangi in their 2024 season. temperature changed quite quickly up here in the crow's nest. I'm picking it's changed quite quickly down there at ground level. It's gone from being quite warm up here to needing to put on some jackets. 12 all. I think our home scoreboard is wrong here. So the ball comes out the back to Edmonds. Bit of push and shove going on in here. Penalty to Tūranga Wahine when they sort this out. I think our ground cam has come back undercover, hopefully. Getting a bit wet out there. It's a penalty. Oh, it's a red card, is it? Red card. Kario Mohio hea take, Ngati, that looked like a red card shown from the referee. Looks like Hamoterangi will be down to 14 players for the rest of the game. Not sure if the old 20-minute red card rule applies at this level. As the rain starts to come in here at Whakarua Park, it was forecast to come in at around lunchtime. Oh, it might have been a forearm in there. That's what the red card was for, is Hamoterangi here trying to recycle the ball here. Penalty against Hamoterangi again. Not releasing the ball is the call. Tūranga on attack here. They tap and go just before half time. Big shot on Lewis there by one of the Hamoterangi wahine. It's there for Shelford at the base. She comes out to Whaanga. Oh, there's Whaanga, sorry. Gets the pass away. They set it up in the midfield. Shelford gets the pass away. Puts a little kick through here. It was Whaanga. Bounces for Babington Ngati. Babington Ngati got a winger with her. Gets the pass away. I think this is Waitor. Waitor bringing it. They go over the sideline here. Might have been a knock on both ways. That's half time here at Whakarua Park in the game between Tūranga Wahine and Hamoterangi. She's locked up 12 all here. We'll take a break for half time. We will come back with your second half. Here's the forearm, actually. You can see it. Just missed it. It was on the replay. The referee, it's a red card there to one of the Hamoterangi players. Here it is here. Oh, there, led with the forearm. When we return for your second half, it will be 12 all. We'll be back shortly.
To go together, hold tight. When we get some time together, flow along me. Load light. That's when it's looking better tonight. We we get some time together, flow, flow along with me. When now I know that your rivers run deep. Why don't you sing out with us? Hey, sing it. Oh, your river, how it flows so deep. Oh, your river, 'cause your river's one deep.
Living in a spell your pony kick on my back. Me plant the seed, we have to stand firm. For them I come again. We have to be your father, then we come again. We have to role model for them, we come again. We have to inspire them, yeah. Me ready to take on life another jump. Slow down your round, yeah. So every day we go to try. Slow down your round, yeah. Every day we're not down. Slow down your roll, yeah, yeah. Every day we're gonna try. Slow down your roll, yeah. How come up in style? What do I tell them? You kote a, kote e, kote I, o u, o vai kato kotara naki komana watu. He uri te nei no te tai hau a uru. Maha puti no tapu e oho e tu. Meki tēnei kia ki Ngati Wigato. Me ngā tupuna tupa wehe ki te pō. Titiro mai e wā.
No mai hoki mai. No mai hoki mai e te iwi. Welcome back to Whakarua Park for the second half. Kindly brought to you by E Tufano of this game between Turanga Wahine and Hamoterangi. Now, a correction to our score. It is 12-10 to Turanga Wahine. Correction, the two tries scored by Hamoterangi were both unconverted. So Turanga Wahine have a 2-point lead as we get back into this second half. Put our scoreboard on. Yeah, and there's the red car. Hamoterangi down to 14 players. There are some changes being. Looks like Billy Tangaire out there for Hamoterangi. Parata is out there as well as Ngarimu. As the rain starts to settle in by the looks of things. Tūranga Wahine get us underway through Tomoana, sends it deep. It's picked up here by Wharehinga for Hamoterangi. Gets the pass away to Ngata Airinga Mate. It's gone backwards, says the referee. Comes infield. Haua Kahaki with the ball, charging up towards her 10-metre line. Manuel in, oh sorry, that's Goldsmith out there. Goldsmith's come on to halfback. Bernadine, another good charge there by one of the Hamoterangi Wahine. They go blind. While Tamarama Parata in there, replacement at half-time. Comes out the back to Ngata Airinga Mate, puts the boot to it. Into the 22 it goes. Tūranga Wahine back there though. Looks like a new number 10 out there that wasn't on in the first half. Aroha mai, I don't have a name for that player. As Tūranga Wahine work it out of their 22. They give it up to Keontae Lewis. Takes it into contact. Shelford in there looking for the ball, but this time it's a penalty to Hamoterangi for not releasing. Some good work over the top there by Te Amo Haere Ngata Airinga Mate to get that penalty. Hamoterangi will call for a scrum. If you're looking at coming to the main game this afternoon, or the men's game this afternoon, I shouldn't say main, they're both main. Yes, I'd be prepared for 4 seasons in one day. Keelan Goldsmith, it's at the back here. Picked up by Wharehinga. She's come into number 8. Remembering they're down to 14 players. They need a halfback here. The halfback's tied up in the ruck. She gets back to her feet now. Pick and go. They go out to the far side. They switch play across here to Babington getting it in. Babington getting it in. Steps one. Puts the fend in. That was a high shot that she slipped. Into the 22 they go, trying to recycle the ball here is Keelan Goldsmith. Dummy from Ngata Airinga Mate, gives it up the middle to Misty Robson. Referee will say no advantage, they'll come back for the penalty. Penalty right on Tūranga Wahine's 22. It's Te Kura Ngata Airinga Mate with the ball. Expect the tap and go here. They do. She gives it up to Te Amo Haere Ngata Airinga Mate, who drives at the post. Takes it down, 7 or 8 out from the line here. The forwards get in there now. Pick and go again. 5 out from the line. Another pick and go here from Hamoterangi. Charging at the line. Oh, it's been ripped out, picked up. It's gone backwards, says the referee. They might have got it over for a try. No. I thought he said it went backwards at first. I think there's a scrum coming to Tūranga Wahine. Might have been just a reflex action that he saw the knock on. Defensive scrum here for Tūranga Wahine. Right out in front of their post, 5-metre scrum. Remembering, Hamoterangi are down to 14 players. Red card. It's there for Shelford. They come blind. Through down off the back. Oh, over the top here is one of the Hamoterangi players get the penalty. Keelan Goldsmith looking to go quickly here. They do. She gives it up to one of the forwards. That was Parata. Charging at the line. Hamoterangi a couple of metres out. They pick and go again. It's there again. Out now to Te Kura Airinga Mate. She'll go in here. Some nice work there from a quick tap for Hamoterangi. They get their third 5-pointer of the day. They take back the lead 15 points to 12 with the kick to come. You can see here on the replay, Keelan Goldsmith gives it up to Ngata Airinga Mate, who just sees the line in front of her. (15-12) with the kick to come. That's the start the Hamoterangi coach would have wanted. Ladies doing well to shuffle positions with one player off the field. I mean, it's out there in the rain too. Might have to tell him, come back under the cover and keep our camera dry. I know he wants to get the beautiful shots, but can't be frizzling a camera. Keelan Goldsmith lining this one up, as you can see there. She's on to 22. She's about 6 meters in from touch. Comes in, strikes, it's got the height. Beautiful conversion from out wide there from Renadine Keelan Goldsmith. Takes the score out to 17-12 with that beautiful conversion. Tūranga Wahine making their way back to get us going again. Tūranga get us underway. The kick goes 10. Taken there by Ngati. Pick and go, but the defence is up quickly. It's there for Keelan Goldsmith. No, she has to leave it. I think that was, it's been kicked up the middle though, as White is chasing here. Tūranga Wahine going for the sideline. They'll be pushed over the sideline. It'll be a Hamoterangi line-out throw. There's a new front rower out there, I think is, just going to guess here that that's Jade Stacey throwing the ball. Or Maya King might be. No, they go high. It's gone through the hands. It's gone backwards, though. Play on, says the referee. They get the pass out to Ngati. Ngati gets the pass away to Ngata Airinga Mate. She gets it back to Amohaere Airinga Mate. Ngata Airinga Mate. Driving up towards the 22. Beautiful run there by the Hamoterangi lock. They come back infield. They get the pass away to Ngati again. Might have gone down at the feet of Poverty Bay players with no support. She has. Penalty here to Tūranga Wahine. They tap and go quickly. They're onside now. That was the number 3, Falau Moitui. They go back infield. That's down, I think it is, the number 8. Need a halfback here. Shelford gets there slowly. They come back infield. Defence up quickly here as Keelan Goldsmith tries to rip the ball. It goes out wide now to Whaanga. Whaanga tries to break the line. Still there for Shelford. Got all their forwards out to this near side. Comes back into Down. Down shows the pass. It's gone backwards. Playing the ball on the ground, I think, is the call. Watch for Hamoterangi to go quickly. No, they can't. There's an injured player in back plate. I think that's Whaanga. Api kara Whaanga. So we take a break here. Hamoterangi lead 15 points to 12, or 17-12, sorry. getting a bit wet out there. Make sure our cameraman down on the ground is keeping our gear dry. Injury break here. No, I think that's down. I think that's Sean Down. That's Down receiving some treatment. And magic spray. Hamoterangi doing well with one less player. Yeah, every man and his horse is at the field today. Parked up. Looks like the rider is retreated to indoor. They go quickly from the tap kick. Hamoterangi just outside Turanga 22. They pick and go again into the 22. It's there again. Wharehinga getting involved. She's come off the midfield into the forwards. They swing open. You can see the forwards coming open, but the pick and go goes blind. It's there again. They pick and go. Another pick and go. They'll need a halfback. Advantage here, says the referee. Tangaire gets in there. Another drive from Hamoterangi. They're inching forward, about 8 out from the line now. Another drive from Ngata Airinga Mate. That's Telmo Haere. 6 out from the line. Another pick and go here. Drive. Oh, they just lose it forward. Referee was playing advantage. They'll come back for the penalty. Some nice work there from Hamoterangi to work it forward. They nearly went all the way before that ball was lost forward. What's the call here? They took a shot at goal. It'll push them out past the 5-point mark. They tap and go. They come out to Kura Ngata Airinga Mate. She gives it up to Parata. Parata charging forward. Goes down 4 out from the line. Ngata Airinga Mate's got in there. She's a metre out from the line. Advantage here as Wharehinga plows through the middle. Beautiful work there by Nikita Wharehinga. That'll extend the lead. Is that going to add 5 points to my score? I'm just pushing this button. It's probably going to do it again. Oh, I went and added too many now. I'm going to have to reset the score here. As we wait for this conversion attempt. Keelan Goldsmith. She's a lot closer than the last attempt she put between the posts. The old scoreboard has anticipated her getting this one over. They've already put up the extra points. Yeah, it looks like that rider of that horse has retreated to a corporate box somewhere as that scoreboard attendant knew something that we didn't. Successful conversion again. Oh. Okay, you have to take 2 points off because we've got 2 scorers going on. 24-12 the score. Apologies, I've pushed 26-12 in there on our Facebook feed. Remember, Hamoterangi down to 14 players after a red card just before half-time. As Turanga Wahine get us underway again. It's taken there by Stacey. It's been lost forward though. Turanga come up with it through their centre. Oh, nice run down the sideline there by Tomoana. Advantage coming for Turanga Wahine. They go open. Ball's been lost though in the breakdown. Penalty here. See, that was off the mark, but play on, says the referee, as Shelford goes quickly into the 22. Taken down about 12 out from the line. They go out to Falau Moitui, who gets the pass away to Whanga, gets it away to down with a charging run. Taken down about a couple of metres out from the line. Tūranga Wahine on attack here. Counter ruck from Hamoterangi. It's still there for Tūranga though. They pick and go again. It's been turned over here. It's been held up, that's for sure. It's there for Tūranga at the base of the ruck. They've spun it out wide. Good defence there from Hamoterangi. It's still there for Tūranga though, about 3 metres out from the line. They pick and go. It's at the base of the ruck again. Got a bit of sun showers going on here. It's still there for Tūranga. It's slow, but it's still there. They pick and go again. There's a try. That's the number 7. Jonesy Edwards that gets up with the pill. 24-17 with the kick to come. Some nice work there from the Tūranga Wahine. From that quick tap taken by Shelford. They worked it up to the line, then across the field. You can see the crowd building for this afternoon's Heartlands match. Good crowd here for the Wahine too. Everybody getting their parks around the field. Tomoana with the conversion attempt. She's about 17 in from that far touch line. About 15 metres out from the line. Looking to try and decrease that lead that Hamoterangi has. The kick is up. Beautiful conversion there. At 24-19. Another substitution coming here for Hamoterangi. And yet they make my job easy when they go out there with no number on. I think someone has got Betty Ray is on the bench, but I haven't seen Betty on the sideline, so she's not here. So there's been some changes to the team.
I think they got 15 though, so
Are they back to 15? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There is 15 players back on, so it must have been a 20-minute red card. We can take that red card off the screen. Hamoterangi back to 15. As Tūranga just lose it forward. That was the try scorer there, I think. It'll be a scrum. There is a injured Tūranga player down. I think that's Lewis. Keontae Lewis. They won't be able to take the scrum yet. There's one of the forwards is down injured. You can see there, Tūranga player in the background receiving some treatment. Good to see the kids here at the park as well, and you can see some of the Ngati Porou Kaupoi here watching the Wahine. If you are planning on coming to the men's game, bring your hamarara. Looks like the referee for the men's game is sitting in the crowd watching this one as well. Back into it we go. Keelan Goldsmith to feed the scrum. Just inside Turanga 10-metre line. Referee not happy. They'll reset and go again. Looks like Ngati has gone into lock with Ngata Airinga Mate. White has gone to the side of the scrum. Charlie Hauakahaki on this near side in the front row. Don't have a name for that number 8 that Hamoterangi, sorry, is. It's at the back here for Keelan Goldsmith. She goes blind, gets the pass away to Ngata Airinga Mate, who puts it downfield. It bounces kindly for her, back into her hand. She gets the pass away to Keelan Goldsmith. Keelan Goldsmith infield to Wharehinga. Oh, what a huge tackle. Beautiful. Big contact there. Might have been turned over. No, it's still there for Hamoterangi. Keelan Goldsmith comes out to this near side. Driving at the line, gets the pass. Oh, beautiful offload to Te Kura Airinga Mate, who'll go in the corner. Who was that who passed that ball? I think that's the right winger, Te Awhina Chase. Beautiful little offload there. You watch it here on the replay. The kick through from Te Kura Ngata Airinga Mate, who recovered the ball, got it to Keelan Goldsmith, who I thought was going to go all the way. Gave it infield to Wharehinga, who was hitting a beautiful tackle, some big contact there. Look at that offload from Chase. Up there with the pass of the day, I reckon. That'll push the lead out to 29-19 with the kick to come. It's set up Keelan Goldsmith for her most difficult kick of the day. Oh, the ball is rolled off, so she'll have to go a little bit faster now. Then I think it's only 90 seconds they get from when the try is scored to take the kick. Penalties, you're only given a minute. And for the conversion, you have 90 seconds from when the try is awarded. Renadine Keelan Goldsmith. She's a couple of meters in from touch, just inside the 22. Oh, the accuracy was almost there. Beautiful attempt. Score remains 29-19. Of course, Keelan Goldsmith coming from the CITY club here in Ruatoria City. Turanga Wahine come back to get us underway again. As I said, 4 seasons in one day. The old sun is starting to poke through the clouds again. All we need is a bit of hail and a bit of snow, and we've ticked all the boxes. Actually, a few years ago around this time, it snowed here in Ruatoria. And right along the coast, I saw some photos pop up in the memories of snow at Punaruku. That kick not going 10. They'll go back for a scrum in the middle of the park here. Into the second part of the second half. 20 minutes gone. Midfield scrum coming here for Hamoterangi after that kickoff didn't go 10 metres. And you know you're getting a good crowd at Whakarua when the vehicles start to go 2 deep, 3 deep into the car parking area. Keelan Goldsmith about to feed a midfield scrum. Backline is split. She's got Babington getting it here. Come blind though through, I was going to say that's Wharehinga. That's not Wharehinga. They drive up over the halfway. I think there was Robson passed the ball out wide. Turanga have come up with it though. Just inside their own half here. Give it up to Falau Moitui. Penalty here for Turanga. hands on in the ruck, I think. Shelford goes quickly again. She might have caught them, not back 10 there. Referee has signalled not 10, advantage. They need a halfback here. Referee, not 10. Should be on the 10 metre, no? Penalty was on halfway. They get an extra few metres out of this one as Shelford gives it up to Whaanga. Whaanga to Lewis. Big contact there from Airinga Mate. Ngata Airinga Mate. Shelford gives it to Down. Down. Oh, that's the second 5 there, nearly through. That was Tipuki. Shelford comes out to Down, out to the right winger. That's Nepia. She's got the cleanest jersey on the park. Might have been her first touch of the game. It's there for Shelford again. She goes for a little snipe around the base of the ruck and takes a few metres. Nepia playing halfback to Down to Falau Moitui. It might have been ripped off her. It's come backwards. There's a stoppage here. What's the referee say? He hasn't awarded anything yet. He's just watching. What's the call? Might have been a knock-on. There's discussion going on here. Little knock-on is the call. It'll be a Hamotarangi scrum feed. 29-19 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngati Porou. Got a number 6 coming on. It says Raywin Maxwell. I think they had 2 number 6s. On the team sheet says Raywin Maxwell wearing number 6 has just come on. Number 21, who was Wirika Tipu, has gone out to the wing. Defensive scrum feed here for Hamotarangi. They're 5 metres outside their 22. Keelan Goldsmith puts the ball and it's at the back for Wharehinga. No, that's not Wharehinga. Get the pass back to Keelan Goldsmith under pressure now. Support is there. They come blind. Back to Keelan Goldsmith, who gives it to White. White throws the dummy. White nearly slips through, looking for support. They go wide out to Wharehinga. Wharehinga's got Babington Ngati with it. Babington Ngati slips the tackle over the 10-metre line. Looking for support here. It's there from Waitall. They come infield through the hands to Robson. Referee's got a penalty though. Oh, offside against Turanga. There was a knock-on in there by Hamotarangi, but the referee was playing advantage for offside. Scrum called. It'll be a Hamotarangi scrum feed here. Someone's up high. Whose camera's up high? Look at the... There's a player down in back play, so the stoppage will continue for a little while. Oh, cheer. There's our crew up top. It just looks like cameras. So they've got a stoppage in play here. And I think that's Lewis coming from the field. Let's check. Number 22 coming on here for Turanga Wahine, and they don't have a number 22 on the bench. That was to be confirmed. So sorry, I'll just have to call her number 22. Yeah, this sun is playing marbles with us because it's getting warm, then it gets cold, then it's there for Keelan Goldsmith at the base of the scrum. She gives it out to Te Kura Ngata Airinga Mate, out to Babington Ngati. It's gone through her hands, gone backwards. Poverty Bay there, though, putting the pressure on as Te Kura Ngata Airinga Mate gets back there, gives it to Wharehinga. Wharehinga takes it into contact. Penalty, though, against Hamotarangi. Not releasing, I think, is the call. They tap and go quickly. They give it up to Falau Moitui. 5 out from the line. Turanga, pick and go. 2 out from the line. Advantage here for Turanga. Pick and go again. Drive from the base of the ruck. Hamoterangi. Referee was playing advantage here. Say they're still under advantage as Turanga have another drive. A metre short of the line now. Referee still playing advantage here. Right down under the post. Turanga. Say no advantage shortly. Referee still signalling advantage as they come open now. They come out to Whanga. Whanga going for a run. Throws the ball back infield. The referee will say no advantage. They'll go back for the penalty. Right out in front of the post here. Tomoana with the pill. Taps it. Gives the pass away. Drive at the line. Turanga go over. That'll make it 29-24. With a pretty kickable conversion attempt coming. Some nice work there from Turanga again. Capitalising on the ill discipline from the Hamoterangi team. Gave away another penalty there. Oh, and Turanga just taking the quick tap. Keeping it in close. Of course, you can imagine the ball will be quite slippery out there for these ladies. Tomoana lines this one up. She's pretty much straight in front here. Just to the side of the post as we look at it. Unsuccessful. Score stays 29-24. Hamoterangi with the 5-point lead. That comes down, I think, to the penalty and the conversion kicked by Keelan Goldsmith. Hamoterangi come back to get us underway again. Somebody needs to go across the other side of the field and straighten that Ngati sign up. It's Ngati Urti. Babington getting it. It gets us underway. Sends it down the middle of the park. Oh, it's been knocked backwards. Down and then forward. I was going to say that looked like the first knock was backwards, but the second one went forward. This will give Hamoterangi an attacking opportunity here. Scrum just a couple of metres outside Turanga Wahine 22. Split back line. Got Wharehinga out to the left. Ball in. They go blind as Mate goes blind. Gets the pass from Keelan Goldsmith out to Wharehinga. Wharehinga takes it forward into the 22. They bring it open again. Hamoterangi still got the pill here. They're inside the 22. They pick and go. Driving forward. Another pick and go here. Turanga defence holding though. 10 out from the line now. They go blind. Still there for Ngati Porou. Hamoterangi. That's Te Amo Haere. Ngata Airinga Mate having a go from the base of the ruck. It looks like advantage there from the referee. Comes out wide. Referee is going to say no advantage. They'll go back for the penalty here. There's a player down injured, so I don't think Hamoterangi will want to go quickly. What do you do here with a 5-point lead? Do you take a shot? It's about 9 or so minutes left on our clock. Can't make out that player who's down injured. Might be Ngati. Oh, battery. Is that it? So still a player down injured here. Looks like number 5 for Hamiltonangi coming back on. I think that's Amy Outwin. So that is Te Awhinga Ngarimu that's down injured, receiving treatment there. So I think she's about to be replaced. 29-24. We'll leave our clock rolling. She's had a good game since she's come on the park too, slotting in at lock. About to get back underway. It's a scrum. Ngati Porou have opted for the scrum. Hamiltonangi. Just need their flanker back on the side of the scrum. As Morgan White gets there. Keelan Goldsmith about to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's there at the base of the scrum. They come open to Te Kurangata Airinga Mate. She takes it into contact, still going, looking for the pass. No, she holds on to it. There's the try. Beautiful work there from the first 5. Just a show of strength to go over in the tackle of what looked like 3 Tūranga Wahine players. If you get a look at our replay here, off the base of the scrum, it was there for Keelan Goldsmith. And just a quick pass out to Te Kurangata Airinga Mate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players there involved in that attempt to stop it. Too strong. That will take the score out to, what's that, 34. 34-24, that'll give them a little bit of breathing room as we head towards full time. What a game this has been. A couple of weeks ago when these two teams played, I believe the score, was 67-10 to Hamiltonangi. Whose Cam's lost? Down the stairs. As Keelan Goldsmith lines this up, Renadine Keelan Goldsmith, she comes in. The flags go up, 36-24. Beautiful kicking display here from Renadine Keelan Goldsmith. I think she's only missed the 1 so far, might be 2. Tūranga Wahine make that long walk back to halfway to get us underway again. High kick, they let it bounce. It bounces kindly for Tangaire. Tūranga Wahine up quickly. Oh, it's another penalty against Hamiltonangi. Supporting players a bit slow to get there. And number 7, there's another number 7 on the park for Poverty Bay. Shalford is still out there, gives it up to that number 22. I don't have a name for it. Tūranga into the 22 they go. It's there for Shalford again. Slowly, but she gets it out to, well, I think that's just someone wearing another number 2 jersey out there. That's not the original hookup. Falau Moitui, though, has been on since the start of the game, and so has Down. Another good run off the base of the ruck there. They go out open. Defence is up quickly for Ngati Porou. Can they turn it over? It's still there for Poverty Bay. Shalford looking in for the ball. Got good numbers out to this near side. Big contact there. It's there again for Shalford. They go back open. Another big tackle there from Hamiltonangi. Defence line holding at the moment. They go open again to Whaanga, puts a little chip through. Leki is back on the park. Oh, Kopu. She does well to take that. It might have been turned over here. No, says the referee. It's there for Hamoterangi. They'll need a halfback. They go open, out to White. Morgan White slips the first tackle, gets the pass away now to Babington Ngati. She spins out of a tackle, takes it up to the 22. They'll need a halfback again as Keelan Goldsmith gets there. Now they come open. Offload here to Almo Haere. Another penalty here against Turanga, offside at the previous ruck. Referee was playing advantage. They'll look for touch here. Will they? No, they tap and go. And they kick it out. Is that full time? They must have got the whistle. That's full time here at Whakarua Park. Hamoterangi take this one 36-24. Great game of rugby between these wahine. It sets up an awesome day as we are back live from about 1:45 with your men's game. Congratulations to Hamorangi. Big mihi to Tūranga Wahine coming all the way up here to Ruatoria for this game. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, here to Whānau. Te manakaha o te Whānau, supporting our Hamoterangi Wahine this year and kindly bringing you this live stream coverage. We'll be back, as I said, pre-kickoff for your men's game. Ka kite. Quick tap taken by Ngata Airingamati, looking for runners now. She's got outwind, she chose the dummy. Still going is Ngata Airingamati. Runners, she's got numbers out wide. Do they pass it? Oh, beautiful run there. I think that was outwind. Yeah, Ruatoria breaks through up towards the halfway. Still going is Ruatoria. Gets it away to Almo Haere, Ngata Airingamati. Manuel with quick ball. That's Edmonds, gives it up to Kura Airingamati. Gets a nice pass away. I think that's White. Oh, beautiful defence there from Poverty Bay on that one. Airingamati. Counter ruck coming. They might have turned it over here. What's the referee say? There's advantage here for Ngati Porou. They look to try. What's a little chip through? Leki chasing. It's going to beat her over the side. But no! Oh! It's still there for Turanga. Oh, nice drive at the line. Can she get it down? There's the acknowledgement. The ball comes out at the back to Edmonds. Bit of push and shove going on in here. And they pick and go again. It's there again. Out now to Kura Airingamati. She'll go in here. Turanga Wahine going for the sideline. They'll be pushed over the sideline. Mati's got in there. She's a metre out from the line. Advantage here as Wharehinga plows through the middle. Pass away to Ngata Airingamati, who puts it downfield. It bounces kindly for her. Back into her hand. She gets the pass away to Keelan Goldsmith. Keelan Goldsmith infield to Wharehinga. What a huge tackle. Beautiful. Big contact there. Might have been turned over. No, it's still there for Hamoterangi. Keelan Goldsmith comes out to the near side. Driving at the line, gets the pass. Oh, beautiful offload to Te Kura Airingamati. Tomoana with the pill. Taps it. Gives the pass away. Drive at the line. Turanga go over. Ball in. It's there at the base of the scrum. They come open to Te Kura Ngata hiding a mate. She takes it into contact, still going, looking for the pass. No, she holds on to it. There's the try. Beautiful work there from the first 5.